In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Browser on PS5. All you want to do is go to the very top where it has your settings wheel. So just go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see a lot of different things here. Just go over to network, which is the third one anyway, and then go to connection status and then go to view PlayStation network status. Now just bear in mind that for some reason, it's a really weird method to go ahead and access the internet. So right here, it doesn't let me change the URL on the top or anything like that. And before, that basically used to be a thing where it says, you can visit just PlayStation right here and go back to a page, but you're not going to be able to do that anymore. So what you want to do is scroll down and you're going to see services right here. So what you want to do is go to PlayStation and then go to About Us, which is going to be right there. So just go ahead and click on that and then use X to select it. It's going to say About Sony Interactive Entertainment. Then from here, literally just scroll all the way down. Just keep scrolling through all these different things. Then you're going to see social media as one of the tabs. You're going to see Instagram, YouTube, X, and Facebook. So from here, just go ahead and click on YouTube like so. And then what you could do is go ahead and just press accept all. Now, what I want to do from here is go on to sign in right here. But don't worry, I'm not going to actually have to sign into anything. What I want to do from here on the bottom right, I'm going to see privacy as one of the options. So just go ahead and click on that. And when you click privacy, it's going to be on this page. And on the top right, you're going to see these little dots for Google Apps. And then you can just go to Google search like so. And then, yeah, from here, I can literally just type in anything I want. It opens up the keyboard. And then, yeah, I can literally just do anything I want and browse like normal.